Hello there. I needed something to put some drawing pins in, so I thought I'd make myself a little origami box. It's dead easy. You just need an A5 piece of paper. Fold it very carefully from the corner along one edge. Nice sharp crease. Fold back this bit here. Again, you want to be quite careful of your measurements. And slice that off to give a square. Now we've got to bend this across the diagonals. We need another one across the opposite diagonal. Like so. Then you open it out and turn the points into the centre there. So we'll do that for all four corners. Once that's done, you fold the flat edge into the middle. On both sides. I'm doing it quickly so that I can show you, but if you're doing it, do it a little bit more slowly and carefully. Then you open it out and bend up the sides that you didn't bend up. 1 and 2. So if you open it up now, you can see there is just a mass of creases. So what you want is to have it like that, open up one side, and in this corner here, where your triangle is meeting your square, there is a small square. And what you want to do is take this point to meet this point here. So if you've got nice sharp creases, that should be quite easy. And it folds in like that. Then you do the same on this side. So you have both of those in there, and you fold this down. You have nearly a box, then you do the same thing on the other side. So making those points meet, opposite points meet on the square there, on that side, and on that side. Fold that flap in. If you wanted to keep the box, you could put a dab of glue down underneath these flaps, or a little piece of tape here or something. But otherwise, it's a perfectly good box for keeping my drawing pins. And if you want to make a complete box with two parts, like so, you follow exactly the same instructions, but before you fold up to get your square, you just take a little bit off that long edge, fold it over, do the corner business again, and the fold, slice that excess off, and you've only got a small bit of excess here, which is probably easier to use scissors for. So that will give you a slightly smaller box, which will make the inside. You can also do this with pretty wrapping paper. Make a slightly bigger box perhaps, and put in a few homemade sweets or a little jewellery gift or whatever you want. Easy peasy, looks really lovely with Christmas wrapping paper.